Hello guys! I know you miss me and I miss you too. I really miss VANLIFE. This building in my tiny home has put me into a lot of stress that creating content has been really hard for me. Good thing our place in Bacong is really close to the beach. Quick trips here has helped me gather my thoughts. So enjoy natin ang beach! Tara! We are here, guys. We decided to hit the beach, Inato Beach. You know, it's Inato. What do you mean? Binarato or Murang Beach. Inato is parang Murang Beach, but with checking the location and the spot, ayun, may mga kahoy. I think it's the perfect. I just think it's the perfect spot for us, and it's pretty close to the city. Oh, there, as you can see, they have water, so, and public bath. It's Inato Beach, but I don't know, it looks really nice. Oh, I'm so excited. See, there's a lot of trees. So, okay kayo. Okay kayo. Okay pa sa alright. Set up. Sarap.
Inato Beach.
Nice.
Inato.
Nice. Love it. So, I'm doing the dishes here kasi this one ay nalobat na. So, dito na lang. And I wanna use my this sink than just wash anywhere kasi if kung saan ka lang usually kung saan ka nagpa-park, doon ka din maghuhugas. I mean, yung sa labas ba? Tendency nun is lalangawin yung lalangawin talaga siya. There's greater chance na there's gonna be flies. So unlike in here, I have my gray water tank, so I dispose it in sa talagang yung malayo sa van or yung sa sink, dun sa sink area nila. Doon ko siya i-dispose other than just washing. I mean, sa outside ng van ba, flies are gonna come to you. This is the best way. And after eating, hugas agad para hindi lang awin. Ang ganun lang. And we don't use a lot of plato. That's why we prefer bowls, using bowls when eating kasi pwede ka lang mag chopsticks or ano ba basta. So it's all clean, basta tayo mahugas. We're going to close this and swimming na tayo. Yun naman ang pinunta natin dito, di ba? Swim na quit! So, magkape tayo, guys. Ay, dami ang Hello guys! So, we're back here again! Yeah. Babalik-balik, di ba? Kasi naman, murang-mura, super nice ng view, and hindi crowded. So far, ngayon, yung mga cottages lang. And kami, there's people in 3 cottages, tapos kami. So, hindi talaga crowded. And we are in our van. Look at our setup, di ba? Ang ganda. Lami ang ice cream is nag-gis na lang. Agad kayo kay I was doing some project at home. You should see it on my next vlog, but I wasn't able to really vlog the process. I'm gonna more of discuss na lang what I did, no? Kasi ang haggard ko nun eh. So should check it out. It's I was designing my sister's mini studio showroom ng mga niya, binibenta niya ng mga dress, mga ukay-ukay, or how do you call it? I don't know what she's gonna call it, pero hindi pa. It's more of a showroom muna, hindi pa talaga yung actual store. But yung setup is parang lang siya, parang boutique na siya talaga. Ala, dito. So, be, lie down, Didi, lie down, Didi, be. Be, lie down, Didi. Lie down. Lie down. Are, tiket, lay. Oh, Didi. So, tayo ay what's up? Open first. Camera. Hi. My name is Sobi. I want to lie down. Lie down, Sobi, lie down. Lie down. Oh, she wants to wear the shades. Do you want to wear the shades? Kuya Brian is cooking.